Hey, Insurance Nick here from Laidman Insurance Agency. We get asked this question all the time. Do I need to buy the rental car insurance from the rental company? I'm going to answer that question right after this. So, you want to know, do you have to buy the additional coverage at the rental car place? Well, here's a real quick way to understand what you need to do. Depending on the coverage you have currently today on your active auto insurance policy, if you have full coverage today, well then that coverage was going to extend over top of your rental car for up to a maximum of 14 days. Now some insurance companies go longer than that, but you're going to have to contact your agent and ask them what their limits are on their policy. If you don't have a relationship with your agent and you're looking to build one, then obviously we're always going to invite you to connect with us. And heck, just even submit a question below. We're always going to make sure we answer for you. All right, we'll talk soon. And again, Insurance Nick from Laidman Insurance Agency. We do what's right for you. Bye.